The talking stage, the dreaded point at the beginning of something between two people that may or may not end up in a romantic relationship. Many people seem to think that the talking stage is a new phenomenon, but when you really think about it, it's just a new term for something that's been around for a very long time. That said, in this video, I'll be answering the question, what should happen in the talking stage? When you meet someone that you're attracted to, either online or offline, the ideal thing would be to get to know them before things get real serious. And this is what the talking stage is designed for. It's a way to get to learn the basics about a person and their world without the pressure of a formal commitment. In the talking stage, you're mainly having conversations or talking regularly for a period of time to find out things like what their likes and dislikes are, if you guys communicate well or effectively together, if they have certain endearing or special qualities that you value, or if there are any red flags that could indicate some negative qualities. And all this information is discovered through a series of seemingly unending IMs and DMs and phone calls and meetups here and there. And the talking stage can actually last anywhere from a few days in some cases to maybe a few months in other cases. Either way, at the end of it all, both parties should know if they want to advance to the dating stage or if they don't want to advance at all.